In this video, I will show you how to create a simple ESP Web Server to control some LEDs. This is the project diagram. The components needed for this project are ESP32, NPN transistor, relay, 12-volt charger, and LED. So, let's see what happens when you give an impulse from the GPIO pin. In the transistor will pass current, which will activate the relay and will turn the switch on, which will connect the common pin to the normally open pin of the relay and will enable the current to pass from the charger to the LED, so the LED will turn on. Now let's have a look at the code. First thing you need to do is to include Wi-Fi library. Then you need to insert your SSID and password. Then this line sets your web server to port 80. This line declares the string variable to start the header of the HTTP request. Here you create a variable to start the current state of your output. You also need to assign a GPIO to your output. In our case, we're using pin 22. Now let's see what happens in the setup. The setup function only runs once when your ESP first boots. First, we start the serial communication at the baud rate of 150,200. You also define your GPIO as output and set that to low. We use the Wi-Fi.begin function to start the Wi-Fi connection. Then the ESP IP address will be printed in the serial monitor. Now let's have a look at the loop. This line stays ready for listen for incoming clients. When a request is received from a client, we'll save the incoming data. This while loop will always be running as long as the client stays connected. This section here checks which button was pressed and controls the output. Then here will generate the web page. The ESP32 will be sending a response to your browser with some HTML text to display the web page. When the HTTP request ends, we clear the header variable and stop the connection with client. Let's see the results.
Honestly, let it go, make my body go, make our bodies high.